Okay, you've normally used the AutoCorrect to correct misspelled words. If you misspell words, it's good to go to File, Options, go to Proofing, and then click on AutoCorrect Options. Now, here is where you can replace the misspelled word with the correct one. But also, this little micro training will teach you how you can use little short abbreviations, and it'll spell out big long words like my name of my company, Internet Room and Training Center. So you can put IRTC, and then you tab over and put Internet Room and Training Center. Once you do, hit Add, and you hit OK and OK. Now watch what happens when I type in IRTC and hit Enter. You see? So anytime that you would, I'm just going to make this a bigger space, you would want to put that in there, you put IRTC. And see? So you would be able to type it out just by typing the little initials. It's just giving you a good, easy shortcut for a long name of a company.